Hello everyone, bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, what is up? Today I am finally sharing with you my thoughts on the cloth and paper subscription box. This is the one that we got for November 2024. It's late. It's super late. It's very late. I know. I'm so sorry. Things were crazy. I did Vlogmas and my life has been a little crazy, okay? But I did still want to share with you my thoughts on this box. I do still want to share my thoughts on the December box also, and then for January, so that we can get back on track. You guys seem to like my videos when I do them. I enjoy sharing my opinion with you. I love getting the cloth and paper sub boxes, so no matter what my opinions are on the box, I still love cloth and paper. That's why I give them my money every month. But let's get into this box because, surprise, surprise, spoiler alert, I was actually very disappointed with this box, and we will get into it. I like to start by just taking everything out of the box like normal. I like to read the what's inside little card after I look at all of the stuff myself. So just taking everything out of the box. And I will say though, I do like what they changed the boxes to with the new era awaits down at the bottom. I don't know. I just think it looks a lot cleaner. The boxes stay looking a little bit better than the black ones in my opinion. I don't know, it's probably really weird because they get dirty, but I don't know, I just like it better. So here's how everything came. You guys already know. So let's just take everything out of this plastic. The first thing that caught my eye is the January 2025 pocket calendar, and I actually love this so much. I love the quality of the cardstock that they used. I love the little raised little detail about it, and I think it gives you just enough space to kind of write anything down there on the lines under important dates. You can use stickers or dot markers to highlight the dates if you want to, and then you do have all the space on the back that you can put a sticky note or something, but I really love these and I'll probably actually use that. And then here's the what's inside card, just kind of glancing over that. But again, I kind of like to look through everything myself and then look at what's in the box and what they wrote down for it afterwards. I had to move everything over to the side to look at the puffer pouch first because I love it. I love the faux suede. I love the little detail their logo has on there. It just looks so elegant. Now this is luxury, okay? This is luxury for stationery. I love everything about it. The only thing that I always say about their pouches is I don't know why they don't include an inner part of it that makes it waterproof, since we're most likely putting a ton of paper inside of here. Just whatever though. I mean, whatever I would put inside of this puffer little bag, I wouldn't want it to get messed up. So I just wish that they would make it waterproof. That's literally my only complaint about any of their pouches so far that they have made. But otherwise, I love these. I love getting them. I love this colorway that they did. I think it's perfect. It was perfect for November, December, January, anytime. It's amazing. And here is the weekly task spiral notebook. It's in A5 size. Okay, we've all seen this, I know. I will say first off, separately, I do really like this. I actually love it. I think it's beautiful. I think it's really cute. The little bag that they put it in. And I kept that, of course I did. The only thing is, and this is why I was disappointed by this box, is I've said it so many times, but I'm going to say it again. I usually wait every single year for the November box so that I have my planner that I use for the rest of the year. And then this year, well, for 2024, they had decided to not make it a planner. It's just an extra notebook that you can use since it's for task planning or whatever. Yeah, I needed something like a planner. I needed their planner. So, you know, I waited all year and then they came out with something that wasn't a planner, but that's just me. You know what I mean? I know a lot of people have their planner systems already, and anything that they get in the boxes is extraness, so this is a me problem. It really is. Otherwise, though, I love it. Do I wish that the pages could come out easier, or at least come out in a way that I could insert them into my planner? I just cut slits in mine actually, but I am using this to go along with my planner for 2025. I was just disappointed because I thought I was getting my planner for 2025 and I just got an extra notebook, but I'm not mad at it because it's cloth and paper. It's still done beautifully. I love it. So can't complain in that realm. I do like it. I'm a list person, so it's great. It's just not what I wanted in a planner for my whole year. Um, but like I said, I am actually going to be using this with my planner. And I'll show you guys that in a different video. But otherwise though, mine did come a little bent, so it made moving the pages around kind of weird. But again, I'm not using mine as an actual notebook. I'm cutting these pages out and adding them into my planner, so it doesn't really bother me. But it just kind of sucked that it came a little bent. But again, that's a me problem because I'm probably the only one that received a bent one. But otherwise though, I love the design of it. It's perfect. I love the design that they did on the front with the 2025. I love the layering. I love that they did silver rings. I think it's beautiful. It's just not the planner that I wanted and needed. Next is the gift tag sticker roll. I think that these were a great idea. Um, I'm not using mine. I just added these to my container of Christmas stuff for next year just in case. But I do think they're very nice. I think the box was very well thought out, how it actually is the dispenser for the roll. I think they gave a good amount of stickers on here. The only thing too though that I did realize about mine is that the stickers do not stay on the roll. Like they're coming off of the sticker paper. So I'm not sure how long mine are going to last. Like if they're going to be sticky enough to actually work when I do go to use them. So that's kind of a concern for me. But I do think they were a great idea. I think they are very true to cloth and paper style, very elegant, sleek, chic, plain, simple. Um, I didn't use them, but I think they're pretty. And this is the Memento journaling card. I actually love this because I am someone that keeps a lot of my tags that come on clothing, accessories, like my bags and all those things with like the brand on it. So I just think this is hilarious and I think they did a really good job with it. I think it's so cute. I don't know when I will use it, but I do think it's really cute. I think it's a really cute decor for your planner. I'm not using it at the moment, but I will keep it handy because I think it's very cute. And now we have the monthly reflection prompt card. And I'll be brief. You guys already know how I feel about these. I hate them. Moving on. And now for the pens that come in the box. It's a set of 2 pens. I don't really like receiving pens because I already have the pens that I love. If you're someone that's like okay with changing up your pens, I guess cool. Um, I think these are just okay. This one is the Uniball 1. It's a zero point 0.5, which I prefer a smaller point for my pens. Also, we've received these pens before. It's just a different colorway now. Again, see, I prefer 0.38 for my pens, which is that purple one. But I do like this one. This is the Pentel, is it Calme? 0.5. Again, it's a 0.5, which I don't prefer, but I do think it's obviously very sleek, very aesthetic, but I don't really love them. I do love these though, and these are the Luxe page flags in stone, of the different colors of like marble stone design. Love it. I think they're so pretty. I love the little transparent page flags. I do use these page flags a lot in just about any notebook, any book that I have that I want to mark off a page. I like the packaging that they come in. It's not in the plastic, it's in their like revamped packaging. Just everything about these I love. I think you get a good amount of each one. I'm not sure how many of each one you get, but it seems like you get a lot on there. And I like how they look on the page. I don't know, I think they're good. I like them a lot. I will use these for sure. And now for the sticker sets. I love stickers. You guys know this. I love, 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 love stickers. Okay. But these I think are beautiful, especially these ones, the dot stickers in the tortoiseshell. but they're still transparent. I love them. I think they're beautiful. I cannot wait to find a way to use them. I'll probably use the circle ones more than the like line shape, but I do really like both of these. And now for the raised sticker set. These I think are so cool. I just love transparent stuff, especially like this where it's like a clear color and not so much a design like how the tortoise shell was. They just look so cool. I love how they feel even just on the paper. I just don't know if I will use these in my planners because my planners are usually so bulky already. I don't want to add more bulk to my planner. They are so satisfying though to just touch. I can't get over it. They look so beautiful, even just on the paper if you use them as like decor in your planner. But the thing that came to mind immediately was actually to use these on my computer keyboard. If anyone's seen those raised stickers that you add to your keyboard to use when you have like long nails, I don't know. Again, I'll probably use the little dots more than these like bar looking ones, but I think these are so cool. I love them, but I might put them on my keyboard. But so now it is that time of the video where I lay everything out and go through and pick out my favorite things. We're going to do this as quick as possible since this video is getting uploaded so late. So late after the box came out. But so we're going to immediately take out the monthly reflection cards because you guys know I hate that. We don't need to talk too much about it. Next thing that I don't really love all that much is the memento decor like journaling card. Again, I think it's so cute. Great job with it. I don't know when I'll use it though, so not my favorite. Okay, we're moving along pretty quickly here. Next thing were the gift tag stickers. Again, I think they're beautiful, but even again, you can see when I'm going through it, they are just lifting from the sticker sheet. So again, not too sure if these will actually even work when I go to use them. So to me, it's kind of a flaw and a little bit of a fail, but I think they're cute, just not my favorite thing in the box. Next item that we're kicking out of here is going to have to be the raised sticker set, only because, like I said, I don't think I'll use them in my planner. I think they're so satisfying to touch. I cannot stop touching them. They're so pretty, so cool, but I just don't think I'm going to use them. So I like that we received them. They're just not my favorite thing from this box. Also, honestly, not in love with the pens that were included for this month's box. I have pens I like already. I will probably actually end up giving these away. I might consider keeping the Calme one, but probably I'll give it away. And so we're down to like the last items. The January card I love. I love where they're going for this year's 2025. Monthly cards, love it. I will definitely use those. I also love the dot stickers with the tortoiseshell design. I love stickers. These are perfect. I think it's a good change up for their stickers too. And obviously, I'm a sucker for a good page flag. These are still transparent, but stone design, I just think they're beautiful. They're all perfect. Love, love, love. They're some of my favorite items. And then we have the planner, in quotations, the planner. I do really like it, and I am going to use it for 2025. I just wish it was a planner. Not my favorite thing, but I do love it. And for the price of the box, it's worth it, you know? I just wanted to throw this in here that all of the complaining I did manage to get the actual planner, the horizontal planner for 2025. So this is my everyday carry for everything planner, and I'm going to use that task planner that we got in the sub box as kind of like extra pages to throw in here, and as well as like other things that we've gotten from other boxes. But lastly is my favorite item, obviously, from this month's sub box. I think it's just perfection. It fits a lot of stuff inside of it. Obviously, the planner fits inside. I did grab my iPad to see if it fit, and it does. It fits in there along with the planner, which I think is awesome. Again, please, Cloth and Paper, if you ever see my videos, I'm sure you do not, but I wish you would make one of these pouches waterproof, if not all of them, moving forward, so that the stuff inside doesn't get damaged if it does happen to get wet. That's my only complaint about it. But so that is everything from the cloth and paper subscription box from the November box in 2024. I still want to share my thoughts with you guys and my favorite items from the box. I'm still going to share with you guys the one that we received in December and January so we can get caught up. But yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and want to continue to see more of my planner videos. It just lets me know you guys are enjoying it. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't yet to my channel because I will be posting more videos. But yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching este video, going over the planner stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.